Hi, I'm Wayne Cohen, and if you're watching this video, that means you're considering our firm for your case. And so what I wanted to do was to pretend that we were sitting across from each other, not through this screen, but we were just sitting directly across from each other. And in one take, without any edits, just talk to you about who our firm really is and who the partners are. So let me begin by going back in time. The firm was started in 1993. I began practicing in 1991. So we have been around for more than 3 decades. And since that time, we have represented thousands upon thousands of clients, and we have recovered hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars for our clients. But lots of lawyers make claims, right? You see them on billboards, on backs of buses, and on TV. And there's one thing that separates our firm out, one thing that you should consider when you're looking at different law firms, and that is the frequency with which the press turns to us to comment on cases. So you will see us and me in different news outlets across the country: ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, the Today Show, Good Morning America. That's just the news networks, in addition to CNN, Headline News, etc. And in print and online, I have been in the Washington Post, the LA Times, Washingtonian Magazine, Washington Examiner, Boston Globe, USA Today, and on and on and on. I could keep going. But the idea is that of all the lawyers, of all the law firms that are out there, ask yourself, who is called upon by the press over and over again? That is a major differentiator for us. So now let me turn to the other 3 partners at the firm, and I'm going to give you one professional tidbit and one personal tidbit about each of them. So I'm going to start with founding partner Jill Stanley. Jill co-founded the law firm. And the one professional part of Jill's career is that she was a former prosecutor. She was an assistant district attorney in New York, and that is where she honed her incredible trial skills. On a personal note, Jill is an absolute fierce bulldog when representing her clients, when representing you. She will fight tooth and nail for every dollar on your case. And when you meet Jill, you'll see that. You'll see her personality, which is 100 miles an hour, to go and fight on your behalf. Next, Adam Layton. So Adam is a past president of the plaintiffs bar in DC. And what that means is that he was elected, he was voted by other lawyers to become the president of the bar, the plaintiffs bar in DC. And that takes a level of competence, a level of sophistication, and a level of skill as a trial lawyer. That's the professional piece. And the personal piece that you'll see is that Adam is a very, very sympathetic, empathetic, kind, compassionate soul. And that comes out not only in the connections he has with his clients, but also with the jury, because he is incredibly sincere and has, as a result of that, fantastic results with juries. Finally, Kim Brooks Rodney. So you may have seen Kim in the news. She represented many of the victims of the train crash, the WMATA train crash here in DC. And Kim's professional tidbit is that she worked on the other side. She worked for the insurance industry for a long time before coming to the firm. So Kim really understands the nuances of how the defense industry works. The personal piece of Kim is that if you meet her, she's incredibly even-keeled. She fights in a way that, for her clients, that is sort of quiet but strong. You know those people, right? They have this inner strength, and that's Kim. She is ferocious in her litigation. I should know, I had cases against her back in the day, and that was why I hired her, because she's a fantastic lawyer and a fantastic law partner here at the firm. So anyway, the decision to hire a law firm and a lawyer is an important one, and I thank you for considering our firm, and I hope this gave you a little bit of background on who we are.